Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Cloud Identity to manage Workspace access, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Sign in with your Google Workspace account. On the left side menu, locate and click on I am an admin. From the drop-down, select Identity. In the Identity section, you will see an option to manage your cloud identity. Click on Activate Cloud Identity. You'll be presented with information about cloud identity and its features. Read through the details carefully to understand the benefits. When ready, click on the Get Started button. You may need to confirm your organization's information. Fill out any necessary details regarding your organization. Review the terms of service and check the box to agree. Next, click on Activate to proceed with the setup. Once activated, navigate to the Users section to manage access. You can add users by clicking on the Add User button. Enter the user's information, including their email address and name. Assign the appropriate roles and permissions for their access needs. After entering all required information, click Add User to finalize the process. To manage groups, return to the Identity section. Click on the Groups tab, then select Create Group. Input the group name and description for identification. Add users to this group as needed by selecting them from the list. Once added, click Create to establish the group. You can now manage access permissions at the group level for efficiency. To adjust user permissions, return to the Users section. Select the user whose permissions you want to change. Click on Edit next to their role assignment. Adjust the roles according to your organization's policy. Finally, review all settings and adjustments you've made. Ensure that everything reflects the desired access and permissions. Your Google Cloud Identity is now fully activated and configured to manage Workspace access effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.